Hi everyone, welcome back to a new post today. Today let's look at one of the contribution of Max Weber, who is a non-positives theory and looked at sociology very differently from the other positivist thinkers. So Max Weber said looked at sociology as a study that includes the discovery of the meaning of social actions of people which contribute to different situations, behaviors in the society. He brought about the social action theory, which says that sociology focuses on the meaningful behavior of human beings and not the structures and the processes that go on in sociology and its institutions. He says that these social actions are oriented towards other people and they have subjective meanings attached to them, which sociology seeks to interpret, and he used the word Verstehen for interpretation. He says that he also categorizes these social actions into traditional, effective, value rational, goal rational types to understand societal dynamics. Each has its own objective. So the core concept of Max Weber says that any human being to which the actor attaches a subjective meaning and which is oriented towards others is called a social action. It is just not about behavior, but behavior imbued with a purpose and significance by the actor, and it has an interpretative meaning which helps us to understand sociology, its institutions, and various actions and behaviors as well. So the four most important social actions given by Max Weber are goal rational action, which he called as Zweck-rational. It is a calculated action done to achieve a specific objective and also weighs means against the ends. For example, any professional like a doctor, teacher, or an engineer working in the particular field. The second one is value rational action, which he called as Wert-rational, and this is an action based deeply on ethical, religious, and aesthetic conviction regardless of the outcome. For example, a soldier dying for a country, and apart from that, a teacher teaching the students, a doctor while he's treating a patient. All of these have value rational actions. Effective action is the third one, which is driven by immediate emotions or feelings, like for example happiness, anger, sadness, etc. Traditional action is the fourth one. It is action determined by ingrained habit or custom or a routine. For example, we have certain habitual actions that we do on a daily basis with regard to our personal behaviors, and also with societal actions. For example, celebrating festivals, certain norms which are habitual that we follow, certain customs, etc. Now, Weber saw sociology as a science of social actions, using these as ideal types or analytical tools to understand the various social complex phenomena like capitalism, bureaucracy, and religion. This thought of social action of Max Weber influenced his other contributions as well. For example, he spoke about ideal types based on social action, authority, bureaucracy, Protestant ethics, and also the spirit of capitalism, which we will see in our further sessions. So if you did like these major points regarding Max Weber's social action, don't please forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment at the end of the video. Please do wait for my next session tomorrow, another new important topic with regard to mostly the ideal types and authority. What does Max Weber say of this? And until then, it's very happy learning.